Hello बच्चों. Today we learn alphabets and colors name. First, we find alphabet A. Is this? No. Is this? No. This one is A. A. Green color. A is for apple. Next alphabet is B. Where is B? Is this? No. Find B. B. B is for banana. Orange color. Next alphabet is C. Where is C? Where is C? C. C is for camel. C is for camel. And the color is orange. Next alphabet is D. D. Now we find D. Where is D? D. 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 Red color. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. Next alphabet is E. E. E is for elephant. Where is E? E. Find E. E. E is for elephant. Yellow color. Next alphabet is F. F for fish. F. And we find F. Where is F? F. F is for fish. Color is green. Next alphabet is G. G for giraffe. G. G for giraffe. Where is G? Next alphabet is G. G. We find G. Where is G? G. G is for goat. G is for goat. And the color is yellow. Yellow. Next alphabet is H. H. H is for hat. And now we find where is H. Here. H. H is for hen. H is for hen. The color is blue. Next alphabet is I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Where is I? I. I is for ice cream. The color is yellow. Color is yellow. Next alphabet is J. J. J is for jam. J is for jam. And where is J? Where is J? J, J, J. Red color. J is for jam. Next alphabet is K. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. Now we find K. K. Here is K. K. K is for kite. And the color is red. Next alphabet is L. L for line. L for line. We find L. Where is L? Here. Yellow color. L is for line. Next is M. M is for mango. M is for mango. Where is M? Find. Here. Green color. M. M is for mango. Next alphabet is N. N. N is for nose. Nose. And now we find N. Here is N. N. Orange color. Orange color. N. Next alphabet is O. O. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. And where is O? Here. O. O is for octopus. And color is blue. Now we will write. Now we write alphabets. Green color. A. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. B. B. Color is B. B. Color is blue. Next is C. C. C is for camel. C is for camel. And the color is orange. D. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. And the color is yellow. The color is yellow. E. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Color is purple. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Color is black. Now we write G. G. G for goat. G for goat. And the color is pink. The color is pink. H. H. H is for hat. H is for hat. And the color is gray. I. I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. And the color is red. J. J. J is for jar. J is for jar. And the color is green. K. K is for kite. K is for kite. And the color is orange. K is for kite. And the color is orange. L. L. L is for line. L is for line. And the color is brown. Color is brown. M. M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. And the color is pink. N. N. N is for nose. N is for nose. And the color is light green. Color is light green. O. O. O is for octopus. O is for octopus and the color is blue. P. P is for parrot. P. P is for parrot. Now we find P. Where is P? Where is P? P. P is for parrot, red color. And now we find Q. Q. Q is for queen. Where is Q? Here. Q. Q is for queen, green color. Next alphabet is R. R. R is for rabbit. Where is R? Where is R? R. R is for rabbit. Color is green. S. S is for sparrow. S is for sparrow. Where is S? S. S is for sparrow and the color is blue. Next alphabet is T. T is for tomato. T is for tomato. Where is T? Where is T? Here. T. T is for tomato. Color is orange. Next alphabet is U. U. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. And find the U. Where is U? Here is U. U is for unicorn and the color is blue. Next alphabet is V. V is for volcano. V is for volcano and here is V and the color is red. Next alphabet is W. W is for watch. W is for watch and here is W and the color is red. Next alphabet is X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray and here is X. X is yellow color. Next alphabet is Y. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo and the color is green. Next alphabet is Z. Next alphabet is Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra and this one is Z. 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 Z is for zebra and the color is yellow. And now we write all alphabets. P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot and the color is brown. Q. Q is for coin. Q is for coin and the color is pink. The color is pink. R. R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit and the color is dark green. R is for rabbit and the color is R. R is for rabbit and the color is green. S. S. S is for sparrow. S is for sparrow and the color is red. T. T. T is for tea. T is for tomato. T is for tomato and color is purple. U. U. U is for unicorn. U. U is for unicorn and the color is pink. U is for unicorn and the color is pink. V. V. V is for volcano. V is for volcano and the color is yellow. W. W. W is for watch and the color is light green. X. X. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray and the color is black. Y. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo and the color is orange. Z. 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 Z is for zebra. Z. Z is for zebra and the color is blue. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe.